Jazzy Joe Entertainment. Presents. Jazzy Joe's Memorable Adventures.
Everything ends, but memories last forever.
Hi everyone, we are on our way to Karnal, Haryana, and it's a bright sunny day as you can see, and we are going to meet our friend Joe Bhatt, who's in Chandigarh right now, but he's also on the way to Karnal. He has an event there tonight and I hope to see him in action. So we are on the way, catch you later. Karnal is located in the state of Haryana, India, and is the administrative headquarters of Karnal district. It was used by East India Company Army as a refuge during the Indian Rebellion of 1857 in Delhi. The Battle of Karnal between Nader Shah of Persia and the Mughal Empire took place in this city in 1739. Karnal was ranked 24th, that is, the first in Haryana, among 4,000 plus cities in the list of the cleanest cities of India under Swachh Sarvekshan 2019. In Karnal, butter or ghee is the main ingredient which is used in almost every dish. The vegetables are cooked with molten butter and cheese, while hot chapatis are served with a paste of ghee applied on it. The Haryanvi cuisines that are available here are very spicy and people are mainly non-veg. Hi guys, as you can see we are on the highway and we have stopped for a bite. This is a place called Aman Dhaba. Aman means peace, and let's see what we can find. Follow me. Just stopped here for a little bite, and you can see a very unique Indian concept. This is the thali. You can see a little bit of everything. You've got dal, you've got paneer, you've got rice, you've got roti or chapati, you've got papad, you've got salad, and you've got mixed raita. So it's a mixed bag, a potpourri of sorts, and this is what we're having for lunch. See you at the venue. Right guys, we've reached the venue, but it seems we've reached a little early. So I'm thinking, why not go and check out the Karnal Lake. It's a very famous lake in Karnal. So join me and let's check the lake out. Karna Lake is a major tourist attraction, and folklore has it that Karna, a famous character from Indian history who played a major role in the war of Mahabharata, used to bathe in this lake. It was at this spot that he gave away his protective armor to Indra, the godfather of Arjuna, Karna's arch enemy. It is surmised that the city of Karnal derives its name from Karnatal, which translates to Karna Lake. Right guys, now we are at Karna Lake. This is in Karnal and it's very popular, especially among the young couples, and people come from all over to see this lake. As you can see, it's got boats in the shape of ducks, it's got live ducks, and of course you can ride the boats and have fun, and the wind is wonderful in this area. We are in a park called Karantal Park, once again in Karnal. This is a famous place with a great history, and you can see the beautiful image behind me, and you can see how beautiful this park is. Karnal city is believed to have been founded during ancient times of Mahabharata by King Karna, a mythological hero in the epic tale. One of the must-visit places is Karantal Park, which is a must-visit during evening time, as the musical fountain show and playground add to the beauty of this beautiful park, which is a great place for outing with children. The main attraction of the park is an 18-feet statue of Raja Karan. 6 quintals of iron and 11 quintals of silicon fiber were used in this statue. Right guys, finally the moment for which I have come to Karnal. My friend and the superstar, the multi-talented Joe Bhatt.
Hi guys.
I've been knowing you for more than 25 years now, and you have grown from strength to strength. I came to know you when you came back from abroad, and you were looking at avenues what to do, and then you became a DJ, you became a rapper, you became a chef. The world knows you as an anchor. I mean, is there anything that you want to leave for the other human beings to do?
I'm inspired by adventure actually.
Okay.
I love entertaining people.
Okay.
मेरी जिंदगी में there's a point where I think if I ever in my lifetime by entertaining people could make one person's 1 second forgettable, that he doesn't know where he is, I think I'm blessed by that. So yeah, I started as a fashion model, which does not look like right now.
No, you do.
So yeah, I started as that. I remember.
I think the hat looks better on you than on me.
God is kind. God is kind. You're the trendsetter, actually. I walk into a club, and when I walk into that club, I hear these beats, and they're so tight. They're like not letting your mind go off the beat. And then I see Jazzy Bhai. I was so impressed. That mixing was, I'd never seen that anywhere in India. And that was my inspiration. And I want everybody to know that Jazzy Bhai has really inspired me. And his miking skills, yes, I also appreciate those.
You are an entrepreneur. You've had your own food joint. You've made dishes in MasterChef.
Yeah,
You've emceed for so many shows. You have taken care of wrestling events.
Yes.
And not one network, many networks.
Anyway.
So I mean, what is left? I don't think much is left, Joe.
I think I'm only as good as my last piece of work.
Okay.
Entertainment, if I don't challenge myself, I feel bored. I feel so self-esteem goes low. See, there's a pattern behind this madness. I started as a fashion model. I could speak. People said you speak well. I tried radio jockeying. If you remember Times FM.
Yeah, Times FM. Yes.
Radio
I had a
Mirchi,
program.
Yeah.
I had a program.
Yeah, I used to listen to that. मैं कहा, यार, किसी दिन मैं भी करूँगा शायद ऐसा कुछ. So yeah, it is just a coincidence that I share the name with you as Joe. That's Jazzy Joe. I'm Joe Bart. So I'm just Joe Bart. He's jazzier than me. He's the jazzier Joe.
Joe Bart, तुझ में है तेरी तस्वीर में नहीं.
क्या बात. I remember every time he calls me up, this is how he starts the conversation. And yes, see, while in radio, interaction with public started. If you remember when Fanta was relaunched many years back.
Yeah.
All the radio jockey friends, I mean, no offense to them, they were like, oh, we are orators. हम public में जाकर थोड़ा ना बोलेंगे. और मैंने कहा यार entertainment है, मैं तो जाता हूँ. 4 दिन का शो था वो. Then I could understand my mic skills, crowd engagement, And from there, okay, I started television, Punjabi television, because it's one more way to communicate. Communication is my mode of entertainment,
Yeah. Yeah,
And then
definitely.
inspired by you, then I realized, I said, यार, मुझे DJing इसलिए सीखनी है so that I understand कि जिस हिसाब से आप काम करते, I should not come in the way of that. See, and music, अब दलेर जी के साथ I spent about 11 years. Badshah Bhangra, he's a brilliant guy. And that's how slowly. अब खाने का शौक तो है ही है. I mean, being an automobile, हाँ मैं automobile engineer भी हूँ ऑस्ट्रेलिया से करके आता, तभी तो जैज़ी भाई को मिला था.
Yeah.
So yeah, cooking was something I loved. It makes me unwind.
So you opened your own place.
Yeah, that was after MasterChef, I think.
Yeah.
मुझे किसी ने कहा कि तेरे को खाना बनाना आता है तो try कर ले. तो ऐसा हुआ कि it just worked so well for me that I challenged myself. So I'm not a trained chef. I just put my engineering into food. So that's how journey has been. I love to sort of emulate DJs like you, and you're the only one I obviously keep in mind.
I think I do not know any other person who is as talented in as many things as you are, Joe.
Thank you.
And that is amazing for me. It is amazing enough for me to come and meet you today.
It's an honor. Amazing आपके लिए होगा, हमारा तो honor ही है कि हम तो I'm sticking to honor bit.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Joe.
God is
Thank you.
kind.
It's great. A great memory
Thank you. On behalf of Jazzy Joe, all you folks, tell your friends about this beautiful YouTube channel. Like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Ting ting. Thank you.
And I leave Joe Bart, a versatile Indian chef, DJ, rapper, MC, radio jockey, restaurant owner, and television anchor to do what he does the best. That is entertainment.
Right, guys, you saw what a wonderful chat we had with my friend Joe Bart, and now we are on our way back to Delhi, and it's getting a little dark. I hope we get back there soon. I hope you had fun and you enjoyed this memorable adventure with me. See you next time. Take care.